I'm gonna do this unboxing really quick because I gotta go somewhere. But I got a really big package today from eBay. My BRR stuff finally came in, so let's do a quick unboxing before I split. Been waiting freaking forever for this stuff. Like a week. He ships it in one day and then it arrives in one day. I was like, wow. That was awesome. Bunch of paper. A bunch of paper. Oh, freaking nice. Look at that, you guys. Oh, wait, let me fix the camera. This Polebank, everybody wanted this Polebank. I got it. Everybody on YouTube wanted this, and I got it. And freaking, then somebody tried to, no, not this one. I got this one for $18.50 plus $2 shipping and handling. So like $22.50. Freaking nice, huh? Freaking nice. It's kind of beat up, but the rail, but so what? You know, they're made for grinding anyways. Still, it's got a rip on the bottom. Freaking not bad for it. $18.50 plus $2 shipping. Nice craftsmanship. It's really flush with the desk. The wood's nice and flush. That's awesome. Beautiful. Very happy. Let's see what else. Second box. I wasn't planning on getting this one, but then I was like, heck with it. Nobody was putting a bid. I got it for, I had it for $10 for a while, and then somebody tried to steal it from me within like the last 3 hours, and then they tried to steal it from me again for the last 3 seconds. And it's in great shape. It's nice. Nice coping. The copings. This is like in better shape than the coping on the Polebank, but still freaking nice. So I got this one for, had it for $10, and then they tried to take it from me. I ended up having to pay $26.50, I think, and then with an additional $2 in shipping. I think. I don't know. I can't remember. No, altogether it was $26. So still. Better than freaking buying, you know, $30 worth of Black River amps. I have to put some rip on the back of this though, but still, freaking great shape. And whoever tried to steal this from me within the last seconds, haha, victory is mine, because I still got it. So yeah, those are my new obstacles. I still have the Black River amps rail on the way, and actually, sorry for the stupid phone ringing, but I actually bought that one first and haven't received it yet, so I don't know what the hell. And I got a low pro also that I got from eBay coming soon. So awesome purchases, awesome prices. I didn't get any stickers though, but it's cool because they actually came with stickers on them, so that probably take some of that one off. I don't know what the hell the Reds is, but I definitely like the stickers on this thing, and I'll probably add another one on this one, maybe like a Berlin or something. Anyways, thanks for watching my unboxing. I wish I could try them out. I don't know if I have enough time. I'm supposed to be leaving somewhere, and here I am unboxing shit. Nice, kind of sticky. Like that. Laters, guys.